Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create professional shorts like the ones you are seeing on the screen. These shorts are very interesting to watch and every day they are attracting thousands of views. I will be sharing with you the results of other channels that have been doing exactly the same method that I'm going to be sharing with you. And on top of that, I'm going to be setting up a challenge to see if we can do the same. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Alright, first of all, I would like to show you two YouTube channels that have been using this method and apparently have had success. So one of them is this channel called Excuses Erased. As you can see, they have 160,000 subscribers and they posted only 33 videos. And as you can see here, the shorts are very similar to the ones that I'm gonna be showing you in this video. Another example is another channel also called Excused Erased. I wonder if the owner is the same. With only 31 videos, this channel has 453,000 subscribers and almost 10 million views, as you can see here. So apparently this has potential. Now let's go back to the two short AIs, and the first thing that I would like to show you is the price. Okay, so I am on this plan here, the Pro plan, which is $30 per month, and I can create up to 90 faceless shorts, which for me is ideal, and for our challenge will be very useful. Now that you know that, all that you have to do is just click on the link that I left on the description, create your account with them, and then you're gonna come here to go to dashboard. In here you're gonna have options to create different kind of shorts, Reddit stories, fake test, AI story video, among others. The one that I use and the one that we will be using for our challenge is gonna be this one here, AI story video. Here you can create your shorts either by inputting your own custom script, or if you want, you can come here to AI script and then you're gonna choose among these 10 different categories here what kind of shorts you want. For example, if you want to create a short about interesting history, you can just click here on use it, then you're gonna choose the language, then you're gonna add a hook and a call to action if you want. In my case, I always like to add, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And in here, you're gonna choose the length of your script. I would say that anything between 6 to 90 seconds, it's nice, but this is totally up to you. Now, as you can see here, your script was generated in less than 10 seconds. You already have your call to action, okay? All that you need to do is just come here next, then you're gonna choose a style for your shorts. I really like the manga style, but this totally depends on what kind of channel you want to create. I'm gonna be creating two shorts here, one in a manga style and another one in a Lego style or Disney style. So now all that you need to do is just choose your style. I'm gonna choose manga for now. Next, then you're gonna choose a type of captions that you want. In my case, I will leave this one here. And now all that you need to do is to choose the type of voice that you want. You can filter the voices by gender, age, language, and you can also listen to them by clicking on here. Once you choose the voice, all that you need to do is just click here on generate video. And back at the beginning of the process, okay? And this is because I usually, rather than coming here to AI script, I prefer to create my own custom script, and once I have it, I just copy and paste it in here. Okay, so now we're going to be following exactly the same process that I already showed you. Next, I'm going to choose a style. For this video demonstration, I'm going to be creating a style in manga and another one in Disney, so you can compare which one is better. And now you're gonna choose the voice. I like a voice that is a little bit older, male. Now all that you need to do is just click on generate video and wait around 1 minute, and you're gonna have a full-on high-quality short created for you.
In the mid-1800s, a brilliant woman named Ada Lovelace worked alongside Charles Babbage. Ada was fascinated by the machine's potential, but she saw beyond mere calculation. In her detailed notes, Ada wrote what is now considered the world's first computer algorithm, a set of instructions for the machine to calculate Bernoulli numbers. This insight earned her the title of the first computer programmer, long before actual computers existed. Ada's vision extended to imagining how machines could manipulate symbols, create music, and even produce art. Her work was groundbreaking, but largely unrecognized in her lifetime. partly because of the era's limits on women in science. Today, Ada Lovelace is celebrated as a pioneer who foresaw the digital age. Her story reminds us of the power of imagination combined with mathematics, opening doors to the technology that shapes modern life. This story teaches us that visionary thinking can transcend present limitations. Innovation often comes from seeing possibilities others miss. Ada's legacy inspires us to embrace curiosity and break boundaries, no matter the obstacles. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now that I showed you how easy and quickly you can create these high quality shorts, I would like to set up a challenge for myself here, and you can also come along with me in this challenge. My real question is, were these people here at the right time when they posted these shorts? Meaning, can I still do this today, almost a year after this channel has been created, or that opportunity has passed? In order to discover this, what I did was I created a new YouTube channel and a new TikTok account. As you can see, both of them has 0 followings and 0 likes because the videos will start being posted in a week time from now. So basically what I did was every day for the next 1 month, I'll be posting 2 videos in each account. All these videos will be exactly like the ones that I showed you. They will come from this short AI tool, and I want to find out in 1 month from now if these channels have had some sort of traction or not. If you are interested to see the results of this experiment, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. See ya next time. Take care.